Alrighty, good morning everyone. So today I'm just gonna make my breakfast. So I'm still on keto. So I'm gonna do like eggs in this waffle thing, but I'm gonna mix it with some tomatoes and spinach, but I'm going to chop them up so they're like really fine in there. And then yeah, so let's just get started. So I'm gonna use some grape tomatoes. Just a couple maybe, because I love tomatoes in my eggs. And then maybe I'll put garlic in there, 1 clove garlic. Sorry guys. So I do love like the combination of tomatoes, spinach and garlic. I love that. Especially like on my pizza before. I love it. It was really good. So right now on my keto journey, I'm at 171. I didn't want to do pictures because I'll do pictures later, because right now it doesn't feel like, I can't see any difference, but I did go from 188 or 89 to 171. So I'm still continuing my keto, even though I'm not posting about it. I'm still, doing it. So we'll just do a breakfast. I see a lot of people making this, so I'm just gonna try it for myself. And then one day I'll, when I'm losing more weight, I'll give you guys a video of what things I ate and what, So let's get, okay. I'm just gonna put, what am I gonna do in here? Oh, just push it down. Video, but you know me, that's how I do it. Always unorganized. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna do like 3 eggs. Of course, we're gonna put some salt. And maybe some pepper. Yeah, I'll put a little bit of pepper in there. Some pepper in here. Then I'm gonna go and mix it up. I'm gonna pour this into the eggs so that it's, First time making this, okay? I will put the Spam on the side because I don't want to put it inside or on, Okay, so let me get a spoon and okay, let me put a bowl under there, a plate under there, so it's not gonna get messy and stuff. Hopefully it's not hot or whatever under there. I'm gonna add some mozzarella. Some mozzarella on there. I didn't take it out of the freezer, so it's a little bit frozen. See what's going on. Let's just keep it there for a while. But I'm gonna like not put too much the next time. I'll speed this part up if anything, yeah. Okay, let's get these parts off. I want it to look nice, so let's take the trim off. Okay, let me just cook a little bit more. I'm not too sure how much, how long I'm supposed to leave it in here, but I'm just, you know, keep checking it and stuff. Time I'm gonna be cooking some spam. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it looks good, guys. So let's put that in here. I'm gonna do more, okay? Alrighty, guys, so that's how it is looking. Not bad. And then I'm just gonna make probably, I think I can make 3 more, but I'm just gonna eat probably 1 or 2, and then I am cooking spam that I will put on top there, or on the side, or on top. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's still cooking, but it looks not bad. Look at that, cute. Okay, guys, that's just what I got this morning. That's all I need to eat. I don't need to eat 2 of them. I'm gonna just try it like this. Of course, I'm gonna be using my fork. I'm not gonna hold it like a sandwich. But yeah, that's what I got for breakfast this morning. I don't have any avocado. I gotta go back to Costco's to get some shopping in. So yeah, that's my breakfast this morning. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching. You make this first time I'm making it, but we'll see. Okay, let me taste it first. Okay, guys, I'm eating it. It tastes really good. Yep. I just pretending I have a waffle, but not really. Yeah. Alright, guys, you guys take care. God bless. See you in my next video.